Hey people, so it's the end of a long day, but I simply had to shoot this video because look who we found here. As in we got these two little adorable little souls, and this young man is also here. But we've decided to name them Sweetie and Fluffy, and in fact Mikey and Angela. So these names keep changing, but adorable little animals they are. Rabbits, I've realized I am a rabbit person. I need that. See, this guy is here, and they are adorable. Yeah, so you can find these rabbits at where can you find them? You can find them in near Sikandrabad railway station. You have these pet shops, and that one is like in relaxing. And this guy also, there's a small guy here. So really people, these are short videos, but I always feel the need to post some. So next video I'll not appear in it, but it'll be in the rabbits. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.